Alright, let's cut through the noise. Is the GlobLinker portable Wi-Fi actually worth your money in 2026, or is it just another travel gimmick? So, here's the deal. GlobLinker is a legit 4G LTE hotspot, using cloud SIM tech to jump between Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. No SIM card needed. That means it works in over 130 countries. If you're always chasing solid Wi-Fi in airports, hotels, or on the road, this might be your new best travel buddy. A couple quick wins. Customer support is fast, like reply in minutes fast, even on weekends. And security? It's locked down with WPA2 encryption, a step up from sketchy public Wi-Fi. Now, about that free data for life. Yes, you really do get 2 GB a month forever. But at $165 upfront, you'll need about 4 years for the math to break even if you only use the free data. You do get 10 GB to start though, which is enough for most short trips, and unused data stacks, so you can save it up. Performance-wise, reviewers say it's solid for emails, browsing, or streaming YouTube in 1080p. I'm seeing download speeds around 31 Mbps, uploads at 15. Not blazing fast, but way better than a crowded hotel network. It connects up to 8 devices, lasts about 15 hours on a charge, and it's pocket-sized. Perfect for travel days, RV trips, or even as a home backup. Heads up, the device can get hot in the sun, and setup might show Japanese for a minute before switching to English. Don't panic, it sorts itself out. Bottom line, if you travel internationally, work remote, or are tired of burning through your phone's data cap, GlobLinker is a smart investment. But if you already have unlimited data and phone hotspot, you might skip it. 4G LTE speeds could feel like a step back. So, is it a scam? Nope. Just know what you're paying for, and travel smart.